Happy 12 days of Stashmas. We are back again with another unboxing here. And today for you guys, I have an order of Devinah. I ordered the Star Chasers on Black Friday, got them for a great deal. So I am excited to share with you guys the unboxing. So this is how it looks. I mean, I literally just opened it up. I will preface this by saying I did go ahead and check to make sure that the shadows weren't broken and that I didn't need to contact them on repressing or anything like that. So other than that, I put everything back intact the way it was. So you get this nice, awesome thank you card. And then she also gives you her tag that she wants you to use. Devinah does. And you can get a 15% off your next order if you choose. So then underneath is my invoice. I didn't black out my address on that, so I won't show it to you guys, but you also get your invoice in there. And then in this awesome package, you get your shadows. I ordered the Star Chasers collection. The matte shadows that I wanted to order with it they weren't available. They were already sold out, so okay, and then it's just in this bubble wrap here. Double bubble wrap. Double bubble. Okay, and that was taped as well. This one was taped also, but I just wanted to give you guys like how it looks. All right, and then these are all of the shadows. So I bought all 6 of them. And we'll go ahead and swatch them here shortly. All right, I've got here the 6 shadows, and then I've got my multi-chromes in here that you guys can see. And then I will also add the 6 Stargazer or Star Chaser. Probably gonna say this wrong. But anyways, they're just in a pretty standard sleeve. You just get, I will say that they have the cutout so that you can read the back of it, which is really nice. Then it comes in a secondary sleeve that you just kind of gently take out. And then there's your shade. They look really good. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and speed this process up and get all of them unboxed. Okay, so I got them all unboxed and we'll go ahead and get them in my palette. So all I plan on doing is just shifting those 2 down here and then putting the Star Chasers in these slots right here. I feel like that's probably the best thing for them. Just grab my depotting tool. You could just gently put your finger in there, but no need to do that. Okay, then I'll just go ahead and put them in whatever order. I usually try to do like alphabetical order or something that I kind of... And voila. Okay, that is them, all 6 of them. These are really interesting. These are not shadows that I would typically want to purchase, but I know I don't have these in my collection already. So this helps to diversify and it helps me to push myself out of my comfort zone. So I'm very glad that I got them on the Black Friday special. Let's go ahead and get some swatches. I do want to get swatches on regular skin, and then I thought I would try a white base. And then if I can't get it to show up on the white, then we'll go ahead and do dark. But if not, I want to go ahead and try and get some swatches on a white base. So I'll go ahead and get that ready. Okay, so we are here and I'm going to, let me go ahead and do that. So we'll start with Altair. Yes, you may, sweetie. And then secondly, we'll go into Aquila.
And what is the first one you did?
I think it's called Altair.
Can like
So it's a
that?
sticky base, so
Can you hand me like that?
yeah. Do you want white or black? Why don't you do the black?
Yeah.
Okay. And there's the second one. So that first layer just
Why are you
basically
not
sticks to the
opening
base.
these, Mommy? Why are you not opening these?
Not yet, because I don't have a palette to put in it. It's not arrived yet. There's the second one.
Is this going to be a big one?
Yeah, that'll be big. It looks beautiful.
Like this one, Mommy. No, I like this one. Mommy, this one empty. No, I like this
Which one, baby? I know you don't mean to, but those are really expensive shadows. Okay, third one that we're gonna do, I think is, it might be NYX.
What is this for?
Draco.
What is this back for?
Oh, I just bought it. Something before in the past. Okay. Is that baby Zaya?
Yeah.
Come on in.
Got a book.
You got a book to read? Let's see what book you got. Potty Train. Awesome. We'll read that in just a second. Then Mommy finish these up real quick. That's okay, no.
Mommy, why do
There's the third.
Mom, why do you stand up your palettes? Ah, that's like that's like
This one's a little bit drier. I guess up
I'm
there.
going to use it with this.
Okay. Hold on, baby. Can you go shut the door? Please do. Alright, there's number 4, NYX.
Mommy, can we
Okay.
get baby tail out?
That's beautiful. That's a pinky peach.
Can we get baby tail out?
Yeah, probably after we get done with this filming, sweetie, we can. This is Orion. And then lastly, we have Bella. Oh gosh, I don't remember. I watched Britt Clark's Orion and Bella. There's Orion. I'm just building up the glitter, and then we can swatch it. Pretty glittery. I promise that's not what you think it is. Hey Benny, not too much carpet cleaner. Not too much. It's carpet cleaner, I promise.
Hi, that's fine, Bob.
And those are the Devinah Star Chasers.
Mommy, get me that.
Go ahead and get this light turned down just a bit.
Okay, thank you.
And there you guys have it.
I need
That's the
that.
Devinah Star Chasers unboxing and swatches. Thanks so much for joining me. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video.